Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. If you're new, do make sure you are sub to the channel, turn on the notifications. So you see guys, yesterday there was a drop with Bitcoin, and when the Bitcoin dropped, everyone drops. Okay, I mean Bitcoin jumps, everyone jumps. Bitcoin moves a little bit, everyone starts to be scared as heck. It's funny. I mean, as painful as it is, it's actually funny, and I've always wanted to see crypto coins out there be independent of Bitcoin, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon, at least in the next 5 6 years or 10 years. Everything is going to be coupled based on how Bitcoin is moving. Even as a matter of fact, do you know Bitcoin is coupled with Nasdaq, right? So there's a coin called SPX, and these are other forex or stock coins which are bigger ones, which are in $1 trillion, and Bitcoin is an altcoin in front of those things as well, just the same way as Pepe is probably an altcoin of in front of a Bitcoin, right, or a shitcoin or a meme coin, whatever you want to say. And the thing is, EMA here are maintained with Pepe. We don't have Pepe looking bad. Just look, moved up, touched the 55, moved up again, touched the 55, and it has always just been like that. So I'm trying to navigate that if this line keeps on climbing and we just keep on moving up and down and touching it like this, let's try to see when do you really get a push, because this here from there to there, and if you extend that line, I'm just going to extend this line again, which is the 55. So we should be looking at a squeeze until 9 of January. All right. So we still may consolidate just a little bit more and more. And yeah, so 20 days here, we actually got one move to the upside. We may consolidate just another one again if you are meant to consolidate. So it's going to be boring for a while. That can be expected. But again, you don't want to start to lose the 55. You don't want to come down, lose the 10,000, and the market all of a sudden starts to act weird. I'm just giving you the heads up right here, right now. And that's it for Pepe update, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.